स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः. Welcome to online classes to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn the first lesson, that is Subhashitani. Prathamaha Pataha Subhashitani. Sushtu Bhashitani Subhashitani, that means good sayings, the words which we speak very well. They are called Subhashitani. Subhashitani Sujivanam Janayanti. The good sayings make the good life. So, to make the good life, we must have the treasure of Subhashitani. As we know, the first Subhashita which we have learnt tells us to know the real value, the real most precious things in the life. So we fix the values as the pieces of the stones are fixed the values of highest price in the world. But Subhashita tells Prithvivyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashitam Modhaih Pashana Khandeshu Ratna Samgna Vidhiyate. Prithvivyam, on this earth there are Trini Ratnani. Three gems are there. They are Jalam, Annam, Subhashitam. Water, food, and the good sayings. Mudhaihi, by foolish people. Pashana Khandeshu, on the pieces of the stone. Ratna Samgna, the name called gem, Vidhiyate, is kept. So that's why we must understand the most precious things on this earth are three. They are water, food, and the good sayings. It is the foolish people who name the pieces of the stones as gem. द्वितीयं सुभाषितं पश्यामः. सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी, सत्येन तपते रविः, सत्येन वाति वायुश्च, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्. सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी, सत्येन तपते रविः, सत्येन वाति वायुश्च, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्. Truth, as we know, Indian government tells that Satyameva Jayate. On the currency, you can see that what is written Satyameva Jayate, which is taken from Ashokastambha. Saranathe Vartate Ashokastambha. Tatra asti Satyameva Jayate. Truth alone wins. Satyasya Vishe Atra Dattam Asti. About the truth, this Subhashita speaks. सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी. Earth holds us. No? One student was telling in a geography period, first time a geography teacher brings the globe to the school, and all the students were very much surprised to look at the globe. One student, after the complete explanation of the teacher, he came to know that we are in India. He saw the Indian map, and below that, he saw three oceans are there. That boy was asking, Sir, below us, oceans are there. Why we are not falling into the ocean? Such a silly question, no? But teacher explained him that earth has got the gravitational power. Because of the gravitational power we are on the earth. So satyena dharyate prithvi, earth holds us. See, that's why Sanskrit is called very scientific language. Hmm? NASA declared the most clear language on the universe is Sanskrit. Satyena dharyate prithvi. See, this scientific fact is very well explained. Earth holds us. Why Earth holds? Because Earth is very truthful. Satyena, by truth. Because Earth is very truthful. That's why it holds. That's why it is told Sadbistulilaya Proktam Jale Likitam Aksharam Asadbhishyapate Napi जले लिखितमक्षरम सद्भिः लीलया प्रोक्तं शिलालिखितमक्षरम असद्भिः शपथे नापि जले लिखितमक्षरम. That means even bad people promise, they cannot keep up their promise. It is just like written on the water. Whatever they say, they will not. Whereas good people, until their last breath, they will stick on to their words. That's why they are called great. So, Earth is so truthful, not even for a second, it doesn't leave its hold on us. So, Earth is holding us because Earth is very truthful. Satyena, because of its truthful, dharyate, holds, prithvi, earth. Satyena, because of his truthfulness, tapate, tapate means burns, ravihi. The sun always burns. Everybody on this earth, in this universe, take leave, but Ravi, sun, never takes his leave, is it? He is always 24 into 7, 7 into 4, again 4 into that sort, months into the year, years together. He never takes leave, always on duty. Satyena tapate ravihi. He is burning because he is very truthful. Earth is holding us because earth is truthful. Sun is burning because he is very truthful. Satyena vati vayuscha. Vayu, most essential thing to live more than water is the air. Satyena vati vayuscha. The air is blowing always. Air blows. Satyena because it is also very truthful. Earth is truthful, sun is truthful, and wind is truthful. Earth is truthful, so it holds all of us. Sun is truthful, so he burns always. Wind is truthful, it blows always. Sarvam, everything in this world, Satye, in the truth, Pratishtitam, everything lies in truth. This Subhashita tells us again and again that we must be truthful. We must be very truthful. Whether it is whatever the work we get, we should do it very truthfully. That's why, my dear students, I hope all of you, after learning this Subhashita, will learn to be truthful. Be truthful to your parents, be truthful to your teachers, be truthful to your friends too. So, whomever you meet in your life, be truthful. India is known for the truthfulness. It is in our culture. Let us once again read this shloka. Satyena dharyate prithvi, satyena tapate ravihi, satyena vati vayuscha, sarvam satye pratishtitam. गायामः सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी, सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी, सत्येन तपते रविः, सत्येन तपते रविः, सत्येन वाति वायुश्च, सत्येन वाति वायुश्च, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्। सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी, सत्येन तपते रविः, सत्येन वाति वायुश्च, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्, सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्। इदानीं तृतीयं सुभाषितं पश्यामः। दाने तपसि शौर्ये च, दाने तपसि शौर्ये च, विज्ञाने विनये नये, विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो, बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा, विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो, बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. The funny thing happens in our house. The elder brother will be eating rotis very fast. Then automatically younger brother also eats it very fast. क्यों? रोटी खत्म हो जाएगा, भाई खा जाएगा. Is it? We are worried that elder brother will eat all the rotis. But mother tells us, बेटा आराम से खाओ, सबके लिए रोटी है. Is it? Mother tells that I have cooked for all of you. I know all your hunger. Mother knows everybody's hunger, and mother never cooks less. She is keeping the food for everybody equally. In the same manner, Bahuratna Vasundhara. In this, you must know. Vasundhara means earth. Bahuratna. Many gems are there in the earth. Is it? In the past, we heard that they were wearing the gold and chains. If you are somebody is wearing gold and chain, it doesn't mean that you will lose it. No, you also will have one, because earth has got plenty of gold. It can give to everybody. Bahuratna. Earth is having so many gems within it, so it can give to all. That's what we are going to learn from this shloka. Dane. दान करते समय, when you giving to others, there's a beautiful shloka is there. A poor never gives to other, because he thinks that by giving to others I will become poor. Whereas a good man with his good wealth gives to others, because one day I may also become poor. Is it? It is the way of attitude. So somebody doesn't give to others thinking that he will become poor, and somebody gives because one day I should not become poor. By giving, you will remain always rich. Dane. So this is told that Dane Vismayaha na kartavyaha. Never get surprised. Vismayaha. Never get surprised to give. Never worry to give, because by giving you are not going to get your treasure empty, because earth has got many gems. Today if you give, tomorrow you will get more. Tapasi. Tapasi. Everybody tells that I I want to do the meditation, but I don't have the time. Array, first do the meditation and with the remaining time you utilize for other things. Shaurya, when you want to show your bravery, you think that many people are there. Why should alone I should show my bravery? No, never think like that. By showing bravery, you are not becoming less. So, whether it is a donation, meditation, or the brave, Vignane, see, somebody, Edison invented the bulb, is it? After inventing the bulb, science is stopped. No, the bulb which is invented today, because of that we have got LED bulbs, CFL bulbs. So the further scientific innovations are going on. By inventing something, the innovation doesn't stop there, because Earth has got many gems to invent further and further. Vinay, obedience. Never think that he is the most obedient, because after you, somebody else will come. So, when you are doing all such noble things, never think that I am the best. No, after you, somebody else will come. We had the we had the great captain Kapil Dev. So Kapil is the legend. After him, Sachin has replaced him. Then, after Sachin, we thought nobody else will be as famous as Sachin. Then, Dhoni replaced him. After the Dhoni, we thought era is end. No, again, Kohli is there. Further, coming generations will keep on replacing. So that's why when somebody is great, that is not the end of the world. So Earth has got many gems to produce. So that's why we should not be ego. दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. In the donation, when you give to the others, tapasi, when you are meditating or concentrating, shaurye, in the bravery, Vignane, in the science, Vinaye, in the obedience, Naye, Nayaha means planning. In the planning, Vismayo Nahi Kartavyo, never show surprises, because Earth has got Bahuratna Vasundara, many gems are there in Earth. It keeps on producing better gems for the better generations. So that's why, my dear students, learn this shloka properly. दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. I hope that you will by heart all the three shlokas together. We have 6 shlokas in this first chapter, that is Subhashita. Let us learn all of them. पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितम् मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रविः सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम् दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा विस्मयो नहि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. पृथिव्यां त्रीणि रत्नानि जलमन्नं सुभाषितम् मूढैः पाषाणखण्डेषु रत्नसंज्ञा विधीयते। सत्येन धार्यते पृथ्वी सत्येन तपते रविः सत्येन वाति वायुश्च सर्वं सत्ये प्रतिष्ठितम्। दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनयेन ये विस्मयो न हि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुन्धरा। भवतु शुभदिनं भवतु अनुदिनं। धन्यवादाः।